Welcome to this quick step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to create your ABC ID card using DigiLocker in a simple and easy way. So, let's get started. First, open the DigiLocker app or website on your phone or computer. Now click on the Sign In button. Here, enter your registered mobile number or Aadhaar number. After that, type your 6-digit security PIN and click on Sign In. Now, an OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP carefully and click on Submit to continue. Once you successfully log in, you will reach the DigiLocker dashboard. From here, go to the Search Documents section. Now open the Education category. Inside this section, select Academic Bank of Credits, also called ABC. After opening it, you will see the option named ABC ID card. Click on that option. Your details will load automatically, and within a few seconds, your ABC ID card will be generated successfully. You can now download it or save it directly in your DigiLocker account for future use. And that's it! This is how you can create your ABC ID card easily using DigiLocker. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and follow for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching!